introduce myself. My name is Tita Sulistiani. I'm from BSI University. Today, I want to talk about sate klatak from Yogyakarta, Indonesia. Sate klatak is a traditional Malay food got meat. It's different from other steps satay of Indonesia because it's a very simple seasoning. Only salty and pepper. No complex spices are added to the natural taste of the meat can be enjoyed more. The meat grilling using iron swakers inside of bamboo swakers. This is one the unique features of sate klatak. The iron swakers help distribute heat evenly so the meat cooks properly from the inside and outside. The taste of sate klatak is savory, juicy, tender, and slicky smoky from the grill process. Many people enjoy it because it has strong natural flavor of goat meat. Usually, sate klatak is served with curry soup and the rice. There are several inside facts about sate klatak. First, the name klatak comes from the sound klatak-klatak when the meat grilling on the iron swakers over the fire. The sound becomes the origin of the name. Second, the sate klatak is very popular in Bantul, Yogyakarta. It also a popular food from tourists who visit Yogyakarta. 3. Sate klatak is different from many other Indonesian satay because it's not served with sweet soy sauce, this making the taste more simple and natural. 4. The good meat is usually young goat meat, so it is more tender and easier to chew. Because of this reason, sate klatak is loved by many people. It's a simple, unique, and reflects the traditional food culture of Yogyakarta. That's all I can share about sate klatak. Thank you for your attention. Next, I will explain the material about modal auxiliary verbs. Let's go! Hello everyone. Now, I will explain about modal auxiliary verbs. What is a modal auxiliary verbs? Modal auxiliary verbs or modal are helping verbs. Basically, the main function of modal is to express necessity or possibility. In English sentence, modal are always followed by a main key verbs or ordinary verbs. Modal verbs also have several rules that make them slightly different from ordinary verbs. For example, although modal verbs are classified as verbs, you do not need to add the letter as the end of modal verbs for the three persons in the present tense. This means that he can see mice or Chandra souls are incorrect examples. In addition, modal verbs cannot be followed by the suffix ing, which is usually used with ordinary verbs in sentences using the present continuous tenses. Therefore, I'm cunning, he wolding, or you're solding are incorrect examples. Formula for using modal verbs. Positive sentence, they, we, I, you, he, she, it, plus modal verb plus verb 1. Negative sentence, they, we, I, you, he, she, it, plus modal verb plus not plus verb 1. Example for using modal verbs in English sentence. Will. Will is one of the most commonly used modal verbs in everyday English sentence in Indonesia. We will means akan. This modal verb has several conjugation is usage. The following are example of the use of will. Except expressing intention, I will go to your home tomorrow morning. Make prediction, she will forgive you later, so you don't have to worry. Asking for request, will you have dinner with me? Would. Would is a modal verb that is not much different from will because it has a similar meaning. However, would is a past modal that's relative to something that happened in the past. In addition, would is usually used in more formal situations. Example, expressing willingness or intention. If he hadn't apologized to me sooner, I would forgive him. Making prediction, I believe Manchester United would become a winner this year. Asking for requests, would you lend me your phone? Can. Can is a modal verb in English used to express ability or capacity. Expressing ability, I can show you my room. Asking for permission, can I go to the mall? Expressing possibility, it can be fun if she is here right now. Cold. Cold is a modal verb that has similar meaning to can. However, like would, this modal is from form and is usually used in formal situation only. Expressing ability. When I was a single woman, I could do anything I want. Asking for permission. Could it eat her? There's no empty space. Expressing possibility. I could fail the test if you don't help me. Might. Might is a modal auxiliary verb that can be used in various meanings. When we talk about event or action that may happen in the future. Expressing possibility. Astrid might come after meeting with her clients. Asking for permission. Might I visit my sick friend the hospital this weekend? Giving advice. You may not drink milk if you are lactose intolerant. Might. Just might is also an auxiliary verb, helping verb. Might is the past form, past participle of might. To use might, the might verb must be in its base form. Example. Expressing this possibility. I might meet a K-pop idol if I go to Seoul. Making an offer. Might I offer you eat this pizza with me? Expressing something that did not happen in the past in the face vacation. Might must be followed by the word have. RD might have asked RC to join him watching a concert, but she's reversed, asking for permission. If Coldplay has a concert in Jakarta, might I go to the concert? Okay, that, that concludes the material I can present. I apologize for any shortcomings or mistake. Thank you, see you, and bye bye.